Hi, today I would like to show you how you can download and install iOS launcher on CUBOT P40. Firstly, go into Play Store. Then type iOS launcher and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Tap Allow and click Home button. Tap iOS launcher and choose if you want to just try it out, so just once or always. I will go with always, so I have to tap Got it, and as you can see, iOS launcher was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!